Okay, I adjusted the bit a little bit different angle. Cuts a little bit better. Now that's got a nice edge to it. I can go ahead and use the center on here. So I'm going to go ahead and back out the whole slide. Slide the whole tube out. I'll put the live center in here. Now I'm going to go through and scoot this as far back as I can and go in here and tighten this up. This wrench comes with the lathe. Kind of wonder what at first all these parts are for, but you can take off the tailstock if you want to. This just pops in there. It's a Morse 2 taper. I'm going to back this way out. Then I'm going to go through and stick this all the way till it touches there. Backed. I'm going to go ahead and pull this even back farther. Just see what I can do. I'll lock this in place. Touch the tube like that. Lock the tube down a little bit. I'm going to go just snug this up. This has got a little bit of preload. You don't want to go too crazy because you're preloading these bearings and these. Now you've got the piece completely supported. You get it supported at both ends. This is just something off of a piece of lawn furniture. It looks like it's got a good bit of run out to it. Here it's got a good edge. Here it's got a, you can look at it, see it's got a little bit of a whoop-de-doo to it. Looks like this tooth here really is not touching very well. I might have a bent piece of tubing. I'm going to go through here and rotate this around a little bit. Try rotate, locking all the different jaws in. A lot of times sloppily you just do one. They kind of go in a sequence. Now let's just see if this has got the same run out. Gotta put that down again. This is the don't sue me gizmo, so you don't turn on with the chuck key. Now on here there's very little run out because I probably wasn't bent, I just didn't have it really well tightened down all like that. I'm going to go and stop the camera and change the bit to a better bit because it's got the wrong, this one's kind of worn out.